In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice to a buyer on eBay. This is a useful skill whether you're managing a bustling online store or just selling a few items from time to time. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and capable of managing your transactions smoothly. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the sold items section in My eBay. This is your command center for handling completed transactions and where you'll find all the information on items you've successfully sold. Once there, take a moment to scan through your list of sold items. This will give you a clear view of all those recent transactions, making it much easier to track which ones may need an invoice sent. Next, once you've found the buyer who requires an invoice, click on their name. This will take you to a more detailed view of that specific transaction. On this page, you'll find key information about the buyer and the transaction itself. eBay ensures that you have all the details you might need right at your fingertips, keeping your sales process transparent and straightforward. Following that, you'll see an option to select Send Invoice. This is an important tool for adjusting payments and ensuring that all terms of the sale are clear between you and the buyer. Clicking this will open up the invoice page where you can see all the pertinent details laid out neatly. This page allows you to personalize the transaction further. If there is a need to adjust the price or shipping costs, perhaps due to an arrangement beforehand with the buyer or a special offer, this is your chance. Simply edit the fields as necessary. It's important to ensure that all changes reflect agreements you've made with the buyer. Honesty and clarity at this stage go a long way in preventing misunderstandings and promoting positive buyer-seller relationships. Once you've reviewed and made any necessary adjustments, click the Send button. This will forward the revised invoice to the buyer's eBay account, bringing your transaction one step closer to completion. Always take a moment to double check that all the details on the invoice are correct before sending. A little extra caution here can save a lot of time later. And there you have it. You've successfully sent an invoice on eBay. This process is a crucial part of selling online, ensuring both parties have a clear understanding of the transaction details. By following these steps, you're on the path to becoming a proficient online seller, ready to tackle each sale with ease and professionalism. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this explanation helpful. With practice, these steps will soon become second nature. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your eBay selling experience as smooth and successful as possible. Happy selling!